I'm your sales girl and I'm your wife.
Listen to me.
I'll give you
Listen to me. I am the one that paid your bride price.
Uh-huh.
As a matter of fact, I am not owing your parents.
Because I accepted to marry you now. If I did not agree, will you marry me?
You will not marry a big man like me. That Obuaku in the village is somebody that wanted to marry you.
See, let me
I came and saved your life.
Let me tell you something.
If not, you'll be in dungeon.
I am a hot babe. Let me just carry this one down first. You know me now.
Carry
if I go back into the street, you know they will rush me.
Madam, shut up. Shut up. Don't distract me from what I'm saying. All I'm saying is, your job is to stay here and take care of the house. I did not send you to come to the electronics shop. Leave it for me. I can do it.
As a housewife, see, don't insult me. Don't insult me because every man will kill for this opportunity. I carry my weight that is paying me to your shop and you come here to come and embarrass me. Don't talk to me like that, though.
Every woman will also pray for this opportunity. That the husband is saying, relax at home and don't work.
Do you know I know what business is?
What do you know about business?
I know that you're not supposed to eat your profits.
Even if you're mad, will you eat your profit before?
Wait, did you just say even if I'm mad?
No. Since you want to tell me that that's what you know about business, are you supposed to eat your profit before?
Cello, are you trying to say I am mad?
If you say so, maybe you're mad, though. Who knows? Listen to me. Don't come. I had a long day. What I'm saying is, stay at home and take care of the house. That is your job as a housewife. Wake up in the morning, go to kitchen, cook for me. Make sure that when I come back, I will eat. That's all. I did not send you to come there.
Come and drink breast. Take breast. As I will make sure you eat. Take breast.
Reserve it for my son. He will drink it more. I don't want to ever see you. See you. Okay, let me not talk.
Hi.
Don't come there.
Hi. This man is ungrateful. Hi. I don't blame you. I blame myself. Maybe my waist is paining me. I will not respect myself. I will go and slave for a man that is ungrateful. Is this man joking or something? Tomorrow, fasting, morning, afternoon, and night. Okay. Monday morning, 1 cup of rice, 1 Cameroon pepper, 1 star Maggi. There is no way God will not punish my husband. There is no way God will not punish this man for me. It's me you want to show wickedness. It's me you want to show wickedness. Okay. On Tuesday. On Tuesday afternoon, 1/2 cup of garri. Evening, fasting. You know, I was really foolish to think that I can change this man. I shouldn't have married him. Because somebody that his mother and his sister could not change, is it me that will change him? You know, I was extremely foolish when I thought I could change this man. Very foolish girl. Because a man that his mother and his sister could not change, how is it me, Amanda, that will change? I've made a mistake. I have married my enemy, the weapon fashioned against my life. Hi! Me, 1/2 cup of garri. No sugar, no milk. Hi.
Baby! Babe! Oh, now there's no time for all these ones now.
Baby, so you did not fix this car?
The mechanic said they would buy. He said he would do it.
Okay, now just give me your car key. Let me
Give you Guinea.
give you a guinea one.
Give you Guinea now.
Give me car key. I want to go for antenatal.
No, I'm going out. I'm
What
going
time?
out very soon.
I don't understand. You're going out. Are you going? Let me rush and come back now.
Wait, rush to where? Is it every week you're doing antenatal? Yeah?
So you don't know antenatal is every week?
Every week. How many times in a week? Madam, just hold on. The guy will come and fix your car. You carry your car. Me, I'm going out very soon.
Oga, please give me car key. Don't be doing like this.
Don't do what is this now? Sure, you've started. I just said calm down, they will come and fix your car. What's give you?
So I should wait until the mechanic gets here, fix it before I go. You don't know I have
Just
to get my
hold
turn.
on, let me call him.
You will not give me the car key. You will not give me the car key. Let me catch your hand in my power bank again. So.
This power bank, now, if you charge one bar, it will off. Is this one power bank?
Buy your own.
It's my phone that is giving me light. My phone is charging it. Hello? Oh boy, what is this? Is this one see finish or what? My friend, come and carry this car. What is this one now? You're coming. What is it?
Baby, you're not saying anything. I've been waiting for you to say
Don't
something.
disturb me.
What do you mean don't disturb you?
Can you tell me that I'll pay 180,000 every week for what? For what?
Oh.
Eh?
Wait, do you think I am giving birth to a baby antelope? We are having a whole human being. So 180,000 is not too much.
That's why I want every week you spend 180,000. You're the first to. You know what? Just don't worry. From tomorrow, government hospital, that's the one you'll be going to. Because even if you go there, there are some things that are free there.
Hi.
You will leave it and be going to private hospital.
Hi.
Me, they gave birth to me in a government hospital.
Should
They
be
gave birth to
ashamed
me
of
in a government
yourself.
hospital. So if you do it, your own will not change.
Hey, God. It is my foolishness to think that I could change this man. And then I rushed into marrying him. You should be ashamed of yourself. Your answering is a billion. No. Look at you. 180,000 my husband cannot afford. Hey! Me, government hospital. You have really seen something. Like, you don't see me finish, oh.
Come and carry me to bring 180,000.
Well, it's not something I'm begging you. This one you must. Except you want me to carry this pregnancy forever. Because I will not give birth in a government hospital. It's not possible. Or I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Stand up. Open your eye. I'm talking to you and sleeping because I'm just there crying. I said open your eye. Open your eye.
I'll give you flying nod, you know. Yeah, I'm not playing with you.
You will give me flying nod. Hold on, I'm coming. Big girl. Wait, though. You're not wearing a mini gown.
Auntie, stop.
Let your brother not catch you. My baby.
Maurice is so much.
How are we doing? We are fine.
I can see that.
Don't worry, let me.
No. Not at all. I don't want to stress you. And moreover, I want my niece to come out strong and beautiful like her aunt.
Your niece or me?
Both of you now.
Oh yeah, now let's go. See fresh legs. So.
Hey, auntie, stop now.
Let your brother not catch you with this. You know him now. Let him not catch you with this short thing.
Auntie,
Yeah.
this your pregnancy is labeling with you.
My dear, it's not a lie. But I can assure you that I'm enjoying the process. The feeling is very sweet.
I want to eat, but the rice is so dry. No meat, no fish, nothing to garnish.
It's not pregnancy cravings. You know your brother. He wouldn't let me stock up my kitchen the way I want. He would rather do it than give me money to go to the market. So I just make do with what I have in the kitchen.
Seriously? Seriously? So my brother has not changed his new attitude?
Change. I'm only praying to God because left for God. This one. But I have money. I have money. You can go and buy what you want.
Don't worry. I'll eat it like that.
Are you sure? Just when you're eating, forget the loops. It's very tasty.
I trust your cooking skills.
Thank you. Thank you. I was just saying. Oh, I think your brother is about.
Really? Yeah. Let me go and surprise him. I didn't tell him that I'm coming.
You're very sure. Will you not change this thing?
Auntie, I'm a big girl. He won't complain. Let me go.
Big girl. Okay. I don't know. I'm sure he will.
Come, I hope you study hard. Don't waste my money.
Well, I already spent few days in the village with Mama. So I'll be going to school from here.
Me, I've told you. Remember where you come from.
Yes.
It's not if you go there, you'll be following people that don't know how you suffer to get to where you are, to be walking around. Yeah?
Okay.
It's very important.
But let me help you with the calculation.
Leave it. What do you know you're calculating?
I am an accountant in making. Very soon I'll be your manager and I'll be billing you. So let me help you.
Don't worry. Believe me.
Okay.
You're accountant in making. When you make finish, that time we'll know. Now you're still making. Easy. I thought this boy do say GP tank.
Baby.
Amalita.
Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Why you?
You're welcome.
Hey. I bought something. I saw some things I know you will like. So I pick.
Chai. My good husband. Thank you.
Agadi.
Thank you. So baby, you are the one that took this power bank out, eh?
I have a battery. So me, I
should have asked. It's not your own.
I like English too much. You should have asked.
It's okay, you're my husband. I'm not complaining. Obi, you bought clothes for Mama too.
For Mama? I bought clothes for you. You say I bought for Mama. Is it I buy for now?
Are you joking?
Which one am I joking? It's something I bought for you. You say Mama.
There's one. Wait. Am I a joke to you?
Which one is are you a joke? Joke is not somebody that makes somebody laugh.
You said you went out and you saw something that might suit me. And you came in here with rags. Me, rags.
What is rags? Check what I buy first before you open your mouth and be saying what you don't know. Why is it that you
men, when you people marry somebody, you now look down on that person, me?
Come on. Abraham Bali is okay. What's that one? Something that I buy that is fine for my wife. You go inside, wear it first to know if it's something.
Take it to your mother in the village.
So me that... Okay, it's fine. Power bank I'm using to charge, you correct it. One bar I've not got, you correct it like that. Because I buy clothes for you. Eh? Couldn't know the woman put here. So me, I do bad. It's fine. Next time. Next time we'll come. Oh.
I'm really sorry about what happened back there.
I'm used to your brother like that. I wonder why a man will have money and not give to his wife.
If he don't want to spend his money on his wife, I wonder why he's making the money in the first place.
But are you sure your brother does not belong to any cult? Because this is so strange.
Auntie, don't say that.
What should I say then? Why will you have money and not want to spend it?
I wonder. Do not worry. With time, he will come around. Oh, don't worry yourself.
Mama, is it that you're not... Mama, wait. Is it that you're not understanding what I'm saying? Listen, my husband is possessed with the spirit of stinginess. And it is only a woman like me that will tolerate his nonsense. Yeah, Mama, see, let me tell you. Do you know that this man does not give me money to buy something? Like, you know when a pregnant woman has cravings? He does not give me money to buy stuff when I want to eat. He would prefer to go to the market by himself. Mama, clothes. I asked this man to give me money to go buy clothes. Guess what he did? He preferred to go get rags. Mama, rags. That's what he bought for me. I should have allowed him to buy them for me. You did not hear the part where I said that he got me rags. Second-handed materials are better than the rubbish that he bought. What was I expecting calling you? Of course, you will support him as usual. Mama, please, Kachifo. Mama, what do you mean? Do you think you endured all this? Do you think you can survive this one? Mama, please, I'm not in the mood. Bye-bye. Sorry to support your daughter. Every time you'll be supporting him.
Brother, why did you buy those clothes for her? They are not even Okrika first grade now. It's Ben that selects.
What do you mean?
If you see me tomorrow, if I get married tomorrow now, you see me wearing those clothes, will you be happy?
Fine, shut up.
They are not nice.
Shut up, dear. I buy clothes for my wife. You say they are not nice. Are you the one to tell me the clothes that I buy for my wife if it's good or not? Eh?
But those clothes are not nice.
Are you the one to tell me clothes I bought for my wife if it's good or not?
Okay, brother. If you're asked to wear those clothes now, will you wear them?
Oh, yeah, shut up. Just get out of here.
Those clothes are not nice. They are not good.
Come on, shut up and go inside. Akoye. It's not nice.
Is the food not ready yet? I'm salivating. I want to eat.
I'm almost done. Cannot wait for you to come and taste it.
I cannot wait either. But wait though. Where did you get this money you're spending up and down? I hope it's not the money your brother gave to you.
Auntie, I have extra cash in doing all this.
Yes. Because we both know that your brother will never give you a dime after the one he gave to you.
I understand. I just want to make something special for you, my brother, and my niece.
I can't bring the food.
I'm coming.
Come and give me a hand. At least let me be having happiness from this end. Since my husband will not do the needful, let me eat very good food for once. Hello? I'm okay. Ewo, thank you very much. I cannot remember the last time I had this kind of meal. God will bless you. Your brother is ready. Honey, you're back.
What is happening here? And I bought fella.
I don't walk off fella. My sister-in-law decided to make food for me. Good food. And it's tasty. Very tasty. Thank you, Annie.
So is it not fruits? I'm seeing this apple, this one, and fruit juice again.
Yes, exactly.
Rice, meat, cow head.
You're seeing these things, all of this rishi because that's how good meal is supposed to look.
Yes. Cow head, fish, chicken,
honey.
Because only people are eating all these things. Sorry, which money are you people using to do all these experiments?
My money, of course.
Your money? Oh, okay. Answer. Because if it's my money, that one would have caused problem.
Come and sit down here now, so I'll serve you.
It's fine. But even though it's your money, are you not supposed to save it?
But do you want to eat?
What's welcome? What are you welcoming me for? Let us not be starting to use and collect money from you because Shishi will not see until you're ready to go back to school.
Brother, must everything be about money?
Yes, everything will be about money. If it's not about money, it's about what? Life is about money. Wealth is health. If you don't know it now. Small money that I gave you, use it to throw a fella.
Is it a bad thing to enjoy myself?
You enjoy yourself when you have money. If you don't have, don't enjoy yourself. Agadi.
Welcome. You're back.
I'm at the bus stop. Kefeme, why is the light off?
The light is off because light is finished now. The unit is finished.
Chalo, if I broke away. Which unit is finished?
Ezema, please, I don't want you to come.
No. The one I recharged last week. How much is finished?
What do you... did I eat it? This morning that you left, did you not beat with hot water?
You eat it. Let me tell you.
It's you that eat it. It's you that eat it.
You eat the
light.
light.
You that eat it.
Because you will leave heater. Heater will be on. You don't know you off it.
If I don't turn on the heater, will you have seen hot water to bathe this morning?
What do you mean you wouldn't have seen hot water to bathe? You use light to do everything. Gas will be there. You not use it. You'll be using light to boil
the
air.
gas. The gas that I told you yesterday that was finished. Did you buy it? Did you fill it up?
Did I fill it up?
Yes.
Did I fill it up? I'm warning you. I'm telling people. You people should know how you manage things. So I don't bring money from trees. You people should know how to manage things.
You stingy man. You should be ashamed of yourself.
You sit here. All you do is to just carry your big tummy and sit here.
You
don't
go
know that they hustle outside. Let me recharge this one first and see what will happen next.
If you like now, don't recharge it. If I go kita, if anyone moves to your pink mouth.
Auntie, Auntie,
Is everything okay?
there's no light. We cannot cook.
Your brother said he's not going to buy any more lights because he just bought one last month.
What is wrong with brother? I don't know him to be like this. I will go and talk to him. And if he continues like this, I won't be coming here again. I don't want you to be frustrated.
You don't need to go and talk to him. I believe he knows exactly what he's doing because he's an adult. As for being frustrated, I have been long frustrated. Even before you got here.
I feel bad for you.
It's okay. Just go inside, eh? Just arrange the things you're using to cook. Don't worry, get my phone from the sitting room so I can buy the lights myself.
Alright.
It's okay. Hi. Yeah, bring the food now. Thank you. Open it. I don't want to eat again. Smell it. Is this one I like?
Ah.
Where's my breakfast?
Brother, you're still here. I thought you have already gone to work.
I talked to Bobo Anye. What do you mean you thought? How can I go to work without telling my wife that I'm leaving? Say my thought. My friend go and bring my breakfast. I'm late.
There is no food in the house.
What do you mean there's no food in the house?
The last note I made it for your wife because she's pregnant.
So why didn't you prepare food? Are you not aware I will eat before going to work?
Baby,
Huh?
did you forget that food is finished?
There is no food stuff.
What? They say
There is no food stuff.
there's no food for us. There's no food for us.
Maybe just...
Why? What do you mean there's no food? The 150,000 I gave you last week is for what?
150,000.
Uh-huh.
That was 3 months ago.
What do you mean 3 months ago? All the key married I flush your brain. The 150,000 I gave you last week.
Oh, okay, that one now. You know Indomie now is 18.5. So we bought 2 because we are telling the house.
2 cartons.
That's finished. Take
So who
just...
finished the 2 cartons? I don't understand why I'm telling you to give me food. You're telling me you bought 2 cartons. What's that supposed to mean?
So, Auntie, type the list and send it to him so we'll go and buy food stuff.
Yes. Maybe
You see this food people are eating? Just after eating it, just look for somewhere to lay your tummy on the floor. Okay? Be ready to fast 6 to 6. These people are starving me to go to work. That's how I'll starve you people.
you lie! Because if my baby requests another food, you will buy it. Just
Eat your food now.
put juice now. I don't know this kind of problem. Somebody will be by themselves. The devil will send it. He's plenty agents everywhere. No, I don't know what to tell this man now.
Auntie, don't worry.
What do you mean, don't worry? Is it that you don't know your brother? Don't you know how dramatic he can be? Now, what do I tell you?
If we had known, we wouldn't have taken that car to the market. No problem.
Huh? After collecting 100K for foodstuffs, you still went and bashed my car. What's the meaning of that?
Stop shouting at us. We don't know if you are shouting. The baby will be afraid.
No, don't even tell me that. Oh. Don't even tell me that. Why is it that anytime you go out with the car, you must bash it? You must bash it. Is it that you don't look when you're driving?
I don't understand. How are you faulting me for this? Did I hit the car? Somebody hit me. Should I come down and start chasing after the
Somebody hit you. You don't know if you're driving. You'll be driving for other people. You don't know. You see that car, you fix it though. Because it's not every time I'll be fixing car. It's not every time. You must fix it.
I will not fix anything, no. I will not fix anything. You should be grateful to God that nothing happened to me. Because if something happened to me, it will affect the
Don't be telling me that rubbish, please. Are you the only one on the road? Eh? Every time you go out, if you don't bash the windscreen, you bash the headlight. The other day you bash the roof of the car. Tell me what you will be driving that will make you hit the roof of the car.
Am I coconut that fell on the car? Am I the coconut?
It's only you that is driving past the coconut. It's only you that is driving past there.
See me, I don't like this you're doing, no. I don't like this you're doing, no. Better stop it. Stop talking to me like I'm one small kid that you just picked from the street. Stop it, though.
Don't be telling me that. I don't know if I married you to come and be incurring expenses all the time. Did I marry you from your father's house to be making me spend money all the time? You don't know his money I'll use it in fixing it.
Did you just mention my father in this talk? No, what do you mean?
I'll give you fly.
What do you mean?
Just carry it yourself and now sit there.
What did you say? Sit down here.
Come on, leave me alone or so. Why did I marry last born? Why did I marry last born? Stand up from there and sit here. I did not tell you to come and meet me where I was sitting. Stand up. Stand up now, it's okay.
100K.
You want to do what?
The baby wants 100K.
Let me ease myself, I'm coming.
You see what your brother is doing, eh? See, I am tired of all this rubbish. I am sick and tired of your brother treating me like I don't matter. Because I know a lot of people who were pregnant and their husbands were pampering them. Why is my case now different now? Eh?
Auntie, calm down.
Which one is calm down? Because of the car that... did I bash the car? Was I the one in the car that bashed our car? Eh?
Don't worry.
That's why he refused to give me money to buy something. Me, I'm tired though.
Don't worry. Once you put to bed now, I believe he will change.
Iba, a stingy person is a stingy person. Then your brother is very, 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 very stingy and wicked. He's very stingy and wicked. And I'm wondering how he's able to breathe. Leave me alone.
Auntie, there's a story behind every attitude. I believe he will be a changed person and everything will be fine.
What miracle is that? Is it Jesus Christ that will just change all of a sudden? Listen, let me tell you something. I'm tired of this rubbish. Your brother cannot be treating me like this.
Auntie, calm down now.
Leave me alone.
Good for your health.
It's not good. Don't tell your brother. Talk to your brother. Leave me alone.
Calm down. I told you everything will be fine.
It's because of you. It's because of you. I'm still doing this rubbish with your brother. If not, I will show him what other women are doing.
It's fine. Everything will be fine. I'm here. Don't worry. Smile now.
No, she'll smile. Buy me ice cream.
Auntie, I'm not your husband now.
I will cry you. I will cry you.
Okay. I'll buy it tomorrow.
Which one is tomorrow? The baby wants it today. Like now.
Because of the baby, I'll go and buy it.
Because of the baby?
Oh yeah, the one who's taking the ice cream.
How about me?
Okay. I'm buying it because of you. Are you happy now? Cheer up now, smile.
I can't buy it.
That's fake. You know yourself. Now you come. I'll come buy it.
Mama, wait now. When I'm due for delivery, I will let you know. You can't start coming now. Me too, I can't wait. I'm tired. I can't wait for the baby to come out too. Just hold on. You know the kind of man I got married to. You know how stingy and difficult he can be. So coming now is going to be a lot of stress on you. Just calm down. Supporter of the universe, as usual. I know you are going to support him as usual. Mama Biko, I'll talk to you later. Maybe you have his number. Call him now. So, these old women still believe that marriage is for better, for worse. Just get in and please. Please, no, just keep. $500 million. For what? Let me check. But this is not business name as such. It's not even registered. But this is serious. For a man that cannot spend 100,000 naira in his own house, 500. No, wait. Amaka.
Auntie, this one you are here. I don't have money for another ice cream.
No, this one is not about ice cream. Come and see. Have you seen this company name anywhere?
No.
Then something is off. Something is off. Hey, this man. I was actually cleaning our room and I saw this document. I opened and read. They are requesting that he brings 500 million naira for a business. And I quickly took my phone and browsed. Because the name of this company is not familiar. I couldn't find it.
I have not heard such name before.
Amaka,
So what do we do now?
I'm going to go inside there and get documents for you to go and photocopy. Then I'll wait for him when he comes back. I'll try to ask him questions, even though I know he would not reveal anything to me.
I doubt it. Because anything that involves money, Brother doesn't joke with it. And he's not going to reveal the secret to you.
I need you. Because if anything happens and this money is sent to those people, we are all doomed. Not just your brother. We are all in trouble.
I'm with you on this. Tell me when to come in.
Sparford stars.
Hey.
See now, see. They're supposed to carry. See, even their letterhead looks fake.
Everything even.
This whole thing is getting to me. Does my husband really love me? Calling Mama is not even an option. Because she is going to go about telling him, hey, in the olden days, we used to be very loyal to our husband. You have to be patient, this, that. And I'm not cut out for all this rubbish. I am tired. Why would one man be stressing the living dear light out of my life? What have I done? You're answering Odogo. Ego. Cannot. Wait. Are you sure somebody's not in the village doing this? I know Mama Monica. I know that woman very well. Are you sure she's not the one frustrating me in this marriage? She does not even know my husband. God. God, can this man just change for good? Can he start behaving like Omena Dollar, Eziego? Eh? How can somebody be answering a name that he cannot put up to? And it's not as if he does not have this money. He just wants to frustrate me. Frustrate me. God, I'm tired though. I'm tired. You have to change this situation. Because you yourself in heaven, you know I am not a lazy woman. At least I had something doing. I was working before this man said I should stop working. You don't come out from here. You don't come out from here. So I'll go back to work because I cannot be depending on one man that does not care about my feeling. No. Yeah, sorry, it's not your fault. It's not your fault. You're also overreacting. You're also overreacting.
Hello. You don't have to panic, my brother. I told you already. You don't panic. Eh? If I'm a businessman, or what? Is it? You're doing me a favor. You're asking me, am I still paying? Money is not the problem. I will pay in small time. I am already gathering the money. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just go and relax. Okay? All right. Bye.
Do you know what, Auntie? I think we should check the documents again. We can even call the contact. Maybe we can get more findings.
I am telling you that your brother is no longer interested in his business. We both know how much he loves his business. But these people has eaten so deep inside of him that he does not care. Honestly, I am worried.
We still need to check.
Okay, let me get the file.
Okay.
I think this is one. This one. Here's the number.
Let's call the number. Let's call the number. There's no information here.
Try calling the number. Call failed.
It's not going through.
Let me try one more time. Call failed. Same thing. Hey. I expected. Of course it wouldn't go through. Where is this girl now? Chiamaka? Amaka!
Auntie,
I'm hurrying now. We had a plan. Why are you delaying?
I'm done.
You look beautiful. Please, hurry now. Go to the office. Please do not leave that place. I'm begging you. Do not leave the place. Anywhere he's going to, make sure you follow him up and down. And one thing, if those people come, make sure you listen to their conversation.
Right.
You know I would have gone, but he will suspect. Eh? When you're hungry, just let me know. So I'll send you something, okay?
All right, Auntie.
Thank you very much.
Do not worry yourself. I'm equal to the task.
I trust you.
All right, bye.
Bye. Bye. Please.
come to my office. Anything you want to tell me, you around me come. When I come, you tell me. Don't come to my office to disturb me again. Gablo Paras Deo.
Brother, I was bored now. I decided to come and see you.
You are bored. You are bored. You are bored.
Yes.
Next time, if you don't know what to do, you carry your book and read.
I'll still come again tomorrow.
My friend, go inside and bring juice for me to drink.
Okay.
I'm bored. Come to my office to disturb me. You're bored. So let's do the business here.
Okay. It's okay. It's not a bad idea.
Although your place is nice, you're a very rich dude.
Thank you. I got you there.
Yeah. We have just 1 week to do business here in this country before leaving.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I suggest if the offer is too big for you, you can look for any other company so that you can match together.
Megan.
Match.
Match. The person you're seeing here is company. I am one man mopo. My brother bring deal. Let me
In that case,
myself.
just like I said, we'll just have 1 week to do business.
Leave that
country.
one. No.
And we'll be going back to our base and submit all the names of the company that was paid. And once that is done, everybody will get their
If
quota.
we agree on the prices now, I'll go and run around for money. Before 2 days, we'll start the business.
Wow. In that case.
I said, mate.
All right. In that case, I would like to review some of our newly launched products for you to see and make your choice as well.
Okay.
You can have this. Just go through them. You see those ones.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes, but this is just a written part of it, so
Okay.
it covers all the catalog.
Okay, no, we are not business. I am juice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you hear anything? They were talking about the new products they launched.
Hey. I was there when they started this conversation. And from the things you've told your brother, he's very interested in that loan. Meaning, our house is going in for collateral.
Jesus. This is bad though. They will send us back to the street.
God forbid. I reject it. My enemies will never laugh at me. Listen, Amaka, I want you to go back there. Eh? Just listen to what they are saying.
They have already gone.
They've gone.
Yeah.
Hey. Why am I sweating and this AC is on? Eh? Thank you, man. You needed to have seen the way your brother embarrassed me today in the market.
Brother has not changed.
Change way. In my whole life, I have never been humiliated like I was today. You needed to have seen. Can you imagine? Your brother went as low as pricing socks 500 naira.
Eh?
Yes. That's not even the tea. The tea is that he told the woman, madam, why I go buy socks 500 naira for picking one? I don't know if you could be footballer tomorrow. I got angry and I left.
He should have given you the money to buy the baby stuff yourself now.
No, I don't want. It is good the way he's going to the market with me. Because if he had given me the money, he would give me 1,000 naira to buy all the baby things. That man will never change. This thing is sweet though. Where did you buy it?
Outside the street. You need to be taking more of these natural foods than all those sugar you are taking.
You try and sugar. Am I the one that is requesting for sugar? It's not the baby.
You are taking only the pineapple.
Yes, because that's what the baby wants.
Then who will take the watermelon?
It's you now. Okay.
I'm giving you this because of my niece.
Why? Today. Babe, you're still around.
I'm leaving now.
I thought you had gone.
Yeah. What? You okay? You okay?
I think the baby's coming.
Sorry. Who is there? Sorry. Who is there? Oh! Amaka!
I cannot sit there.
Sorry. Wait.
I want to sit
Come,
down.
call the doctor. Call the doctor.
Carry me up.
Sorry. Wait. Get my car key. Wait. It's okay. Oh. Let me come right now.
My stomach.
Wait, let me rush and bring the car key. Oh, just help me. Let's. Sorry.
The doctor said you are stressed and you need to rest.
Tell me, how was the show? Did I put it up well?
You did very well. You need to go for an Oscar award.
Really? Oscar, here I come.
Exactly. But the auntie, he still doesn't solve anything though. He can still give them the money some other time.
God forbid. We are going to do something. But if we go to the right authorities now, he might just go about and give them that money. I don't want it. Just relax. Let's go according to what we've planned.
Auntie, I think he's back. Maybe go back. Yes.
You are very easy. Hey! Ooh. Ah!
You're welcome. Yeah. Oh. So let's get started.
Hello, auntie. They are here. Yes, they just head to the big parlor. Start coming.
Mr. Esenwa, why are we doing this meeting in your house?
I don't bring people to my house, so for me to bring you people here means that I'm very, very comfortable with you people. So business no business. Do you understand?
All right, then. In that case, we are okay. The meeting can.
Yes,
But if you don't mind, we can go to. I just feel is.
You have the point there. So let's just proceed to the business immediately.
I think we can sign all the document because we have a flight to catch.
Yeah, this is some of it. Let me see this one.
Officer, please, pick this man up. They are here to dupe my husband.
Both of you are going with me to CCID for proper investigation. Please.
Mr. Esenwa, what's going on here?
But I'm surprised though. My brother.
I think there is a mix-up somewhere.
Yes.
Brother, they are fraudsters. Auntie actually saw their proposal stating that they are companies that deals on new electronics brand. They are going to supply you after you registered with them with the sum of 500 million naira. And you stand to benefit two times of the money. And they become their major supplier. That is all lies. Guess what? Their letterhead is fake. They are all lying. The name they mentioned does not even exist. They are not even running any deal. They are not even on any deal at all, nothing.
I overheard their conversation. Amaka, we need to do something ASAP.
First, we need to be keeping record of their meetings. And we cannot do that if you're not close to them. I will tell brother to be bringing them over here.
Where? And you think he would listen?
I know one or two things to tell you.
You do?
Yes.
Please help me now. Help me. These fraudsters are promising to give him a deal with a company that does not even exist. And you think that he wants to borrow money from the bank?
God forbid. It will never happen. We will not allow that.
God, I beg you. God, I beg you. I don't want my enemies to laugh at me.
Brother, I need to discuss something.
I'm very busy. Later you come. It's not now.
I know, but I want to advise you on something. I have been listening to your business conversation and others, especially when I come to the office.
I'm listening. Be talking.
Brother, don't you think it's wise if you bring most of the meetings home?
Why?
Because your competitors might be sending spies for you. And they can even snatch your big deals and investors. Sometimes it's not good to bring your investors to the office. So you bring them home at your own space and convenience time.
It's okay. I've heard what you said. I'll think about it.
Okay. So we are going to...
It's okay. Radio without battery. Go first. I'm busy.
What did he say?
He agreed.
Are you serious?
So now we are going to keep a close eye on them.
Thank you, Jesus. Yes, we have to put our eyes on those people. Those people must be brought to book. Hey, Ne, please. We'll be going to the office with him. Because
we need to discuss it with him.
Do you want to spoil this whole thing? Don't you know your brother will not believe us? And he will go behind us to do this thing.
You are right. Brother, that's what happened.
Yeah.
Yes, no. She doesn't know what she's saying.
Yes. More, yes, more, no. Which one am I standing? Deal that I'm about to sign. You're telling me yes, no, yes.
Officer, pick this man out of here now.
We can still sign this deal. We can still sign.
Pick this man up. Pick them up, please. Pick the man up. Get out.
This is not.
Go. Get out.
Officer.
Hey.
Lock them in kri inside kri.
How could you go here?
I don't even know how you entered their trap.
This one, Mr. Know-it-all. Yet he knows not.
Cheru. So this is how I would have lost 50 million.
You're even going back to the streets.
Hi. Agadi. Chai. Mommy, thank you. Thank you very much. This is a clear example that me, I can't know everything. Oh. I cannot know everything. But you don't have to blame me. It's things that has happened to me in this life. A lot has happened though, to me. Oh. That is why you see me sometimes. I just want to do things my own. So I don't involve anybody. Because I always feel if I give you my business will not side. You know? Because some people will give me the reason that they will love me, that they care for me, that they will. I will not put myself into it. They have duped me in terms of love, duped me in terms of money, duped me with everything. So this life is hard to trust people. It's hard to trust people. No.
She said I was a mad woman. You said I should not come to your shop again. You even bought me rags, and you see. No, now that shop owner. What part of it is that I don't want you to stress yourself. Part of it is that you carry my money and run. See you, you don't have to.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry for things that I did not do well. I'm sorry for things that I did not say well.
So now you buy me the ice cream.
How many bags of ice cream do you want?
Now what I want, no meal. Me, I want ice cream. The baby wants sugar cane and stew.
Sugar cane and stew? This is the combination, bunka.
That's what the baby wants.
Sugar cane and stew? It's okay. It's okay. But me, I'll send you 5 million. I'll send
5 million?
5 million naira. Go and ravish. Anyhow you want to spend it, spend it.
It's not 500. It's not 5 million. Like
no, why
6.
You why are you doing like you don't see 5 million?
What about me now?
Wait first. Radio without battery. Calm down. Let me talk to my wife first. I'll come.
No, you will give out because if not because of her, I wouldn't have done this thing. Yes. 15 Pro Max. You know she's a big girl now. She needs sweet pictures for Instagram.
15 Pro Max.
There's the highest.
The camera is big.
Because my cosmetics, they won't have 15.
Yes. And if she does not buy it, she will not go back to school.
We'll
chase her.
But I came to.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll buy the 15 Pro glass.
Hey! On your logo, there's not 15 Pro glass. It's 15 Pro Max. It's not Pro glass. Pro Max.
Yeah, 15 Pro Max.
I'll buy it for you. Thanks for it.
I'll bring your phone now. Transfer the money now. Yes. I'll see you soon.
Change your mind.
Send it now.
You people should be calming down now. It's promise that have you promised you before?
See, the mood now. You might just go outside now. Guys, now people are telling you why am I wrong with your money. You will not send it again. So do it now. What you got serious? So the apple. Baby. Tinya na GT. Tinya na baby piano.
Wait, but I use my Zenith.
I don't be just send it far.
My baby. My baby.
My big brother.
Tata. As they go one of this whole Nigeria. The importer and exporter.
Big husband.
Hey! Didn't know where okay go send the money, baby.
Send it.
Okay. But
How you go serious?
my own. I should
yes.
5 million. I'm not sure of how much the phone is currently now, but just give me 5 million.
I think it's 7 million. 7 million. Yes, so the other 2 million.
It's true.
No, it's a phone.
Romance.
Odogu! Woke nacha.
My Odogu brother.
Etunam.
Sorry.
I'll try it again. Come to me, I'm his wife. My Odogu! My one husband. The
Which
only
account am I sending that one?
My
first?
Zenith. The fairest of them all. You will just be pink. The pinkest man on earth.
I've sent the money. You should leave me here. I've sent the 2 million. Check your account.
2 million. We say 7
Make
million.
and cry outside.
Baby, 7 million.
And you're back.
But I love you. My best brother. Let him go.